Introducing the 2022 Ford Puma ST line. This SUV boasts a 1-litre petrol hybrid engine with a sleek black exterior and a luxurious interior featuring ambient lighting and Bluetooth connectivity. Safety features include ABS, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. For added convenience, it has satellite navigation and parking assistance. With only 20,000 miles on the clock, this vehicle is practically brand new. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Contact us today at hillsford.co.uk for more information.